Today on In the Field with UFC, we will be going over the Field Monitoring Tool, or FMT, and how it is used for early season scouting. To access FMT, log into your UFC Hub account and select the 9-pin icon in the top right-hand corner of the dashboard. Then simply click on the R7 app. This will instantly log you in and pull up your fields and FMT. This tool allows us to look at your fields broken down by crop to help us focus our scouting efforts and crop nutrient applications more precisely. This tool uses high-frequency, low-resolution satellite imagery to compare fields based on biomass accumulation. This allows us to see which fields are growing at an above average, average, or below average rate. Looking at your fields, the black pins are showing above average growth, where white is showing average and red below average growth. To show an example, I will be using R7 in-season imagery to help show biomass accumulation differences between black, red, and white fields. To show an example, I will be using R7 in-season imagery to help show biomass accumulation differences between a black, red, and white field. When looking at any in-season NDVI imagery, remember to look at the scale to the right of the screen. A 1 would be like a rainforest in terms of biomass, and a 0 is bare dirt. So here is a red field trending below average in biomass. As you can see from the imagery, a majority of the field is yellow and orange in color. From the NDVI scale, we see that means 0.3 to 0.27. There are also two large red zones reading 0.23 to 0.17. Now let's look at a white field trending with average biomass. As you can see, this field also shows a lot of yellow and orange, but much less red. The NDVI scale shows us the majority of the field is in the range 0.3 to 0.27. Finally, we will look at a black field trending above average. We also see from this image light orange to dark orange, with the scale ranging in orange from 0.3 to 0.27. This image has much more green, reading 0.41. Seeing each field individually, you see that the majority of each field read between 0.3 to 0.27, but the scales itself were not the same. The red field ranged from 0.56 to 0.17, the white field ranged from 0.47 to 0.21, and the black field ranged from 0.59 to 0.23. From looking at the images and NDVI scales, it is easy to see why each field is in the category that they are. However, that does not mean that they will stay there for long. As the season progresses, stay tuned for more updates using the Field Monitoring Tool. Our next update will be on where UFC is at with the Field Forecasting Tool. Happy scouting!